was senior citizen Kumasi Asante Kotoko and a confirm the return of one of the very talented players. Time video so once Mohammed bro yes. Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirming the return of the Panther. Yes, and once bro. Imoro Ibrahim and wasem kakra bro because Imoro Ibrahim weekend on a news breaking so ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko no happen Obeka say weekend no yes news breaking say Imoro and the Kumasi Asante Kotoko deal no happen because the what is called the special dispensation which is granted Kumasi and I say Ghanaian players coming from abroad no and no ema the kwan say on the Kumasi Asante Kotoko betima sensan then there's nkomodie na akosi say who latest wa me de bro ofia pacho wa ha super 24 TV yen semre pacho unsubscribe ya no hit the red subscribe button na wadaro ma wabadoma no so na chese ya build it together information dey ebi wo wi ase to ho ane dey abrew sa pepepe ne tie follow your social media handles no so Facebook re super 24 TV Instagram Twitter and abefo TikTok no Kumasi blogman na yendika subom what much I do yen semre kra yen go straight into the stories. Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Nicholas Mensah officially Kumasi Asante Kotoko are coming back to the full to the training to the club. Yes, and I know pay Kumasi Asante Kotoko official handle I want to type video so across board. Oh yes, announcement we and see Nicholas Mensah and the past videos of Premier League matches our bono and I pulley at the two Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, the return of the Panther, Nicholas Mensah, and hashtag Kumasi Asante Kotoko fabulous sensors, and Kotoko Asante Kotoko for all. So Nicholas Mensah, they say the ban no abewe ya or the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I say training full rigorous. I say a match day squad or can over the other time a blog him. I'll say I register on so as I say no ube Ghana Premier League actions. Yes. Now information abanono memano akwaba and on behalf of Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters Nicholas Mensah akwaba say more options now Imoro deal no coach Ogum aka bibia fa ho and Imoro agency no so say no mama ka no krewu no aka club na Imoro free ba no aka ne contract no some months kakra bi na ba wiye enti eno na ama sese mpanyifo enya nye decide say omo ntwen nan so no nsan